Hey, what's up, group leaders? I'm glad that you clicked on this link, and I wanted to show you this. And I don't mean my beautiful face. I'm actually talking about the video itself and how easy it is for you to make a video just like this one. My idea is this, is that each one of us makes a video where you just grab your phone, put it in selfie mode, and hit record. From there, just introduce yourself. Tell people about the context of your group, maybe some of the goals that you have for your group. I'm just looking for great ways for people to find out a little bit more information, put a name and a face together so that they feel comfortable when they're looking for a group home. Don't overcomplicate it, make it super simple. You can do it in the context of your home, sitting on the couch if you have other group leaders with you. If you have, do it during group time maybe, walk around and show people a little bit more about your group that way. I mean, shoot, I'm cooking dinner right now. So really, you can shoot these wherever you want. Once you're finished, go ahead and send me the video via text or email. Come find me at church, and I'd be happy to get it off your phone that way. But that's really all I have. I'm really excited to see the videos you guys come up with. And, well, now back to cooking dinner.